This is the Wall of Honor. Those that died on Flight 93, each person has their own column with their name on it. And at the end of the wall, there is a gate, and behind that gate is the actual crash site. The names of the people each have their own column. And it looks like school children have left a little memorial. We are walking on the flight path of impact. And this is as close as you can get to the crash site. No one is allowed at the crash site except family. And at the end of what looks like a trail is a rock that is placed approximately at the site of the crash. Looks like our little groundhog buddy is enjoying a meal.
Please take a second to comment, subscribe, ring the bell to get notices of new videos, and please give a thumbs up.